What is up, cozy familia? Welcome back. Today it's a different video because guess what? Christmas has just arrived for me as well. I got myself a new iPhone, you guys, and I needed an upgrade, or more like I wanted an upgrade. It's the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I got this beautiful blue midnight color. I was very indecisive about the color initially because literally I think I was kind of debating whether to get the white one, which I think is called the silver white one, or the orange one. Now the orange one looked more like a cone, like a street cone, if you know what I mean. I saw some of my friends with that color and I was like, actually it's pretty trendy and I think I like that. Then I was like, I don't know, I want the white and I think I'm gonna get the white. But then I saw this blue and I hope my camera is focusing, but I was like, you know what? I never had a dark phone. I always was leaning towards like, this is my actual phone right now, which is an iPhone 14 Pro. Actually, no, it's an iPhone 14 Plus. It's not the Pro, it's the Plus. And I was like, I just want to get a different kind. So I'm gonna unbox this today. And I also got some goodies from Amazon. I got myself like a case, and stay tuned for the color of the case because you'd be like, why did you pick the color if your phone is blue? But hear me out, a girl is a girl. If you want to know what I got, what accessories I got, and if you want to see this iPhone, just keep watching. Okay guys, so unfortunately you can only see my hands right now, but I'm still here. And also I'm gonna try to move my keyboard because it's literally taking the spot. So we're gonna unbox this, and I love how Apple always kinda like does the packaging, because the packages are so good. So yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do it. I feel like I'm opening like a Labubu box. Oh my god, there he is, or she is. Okay, is this supposed to, oh wait, I'm not doing this right. I'm not doing this right. Right, let's keep it like that. Okay, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at the color. It is, okay, now in the light you guys can see it. It is not super dark. It's a beautiful, they call it midnight blue. And I kind of like it because sometimes I feel like, I don't know, it's like, it reminds me of the sky, if you know what I mean. It reminds me of the sky, and I love the sky at night. So yeah, it is, the weight of it, I'm just gonna move the box. The weight of it, it's much lighter than my current iPhone 14 Plus. And I'm just gonna place them in comparison. Also, I think it's the same size. I'm just gonna remove, oopsie. I'm just gonna remove, okay. I'm just gonna remove this case, which by the way is super dirty right now. But like, this is my iPhone 14, which by the way I need to return because I'm trading it in with Apple. But it's literally, it's just a bit taller. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just a bit taller compared to an iPhone 14 Plus. But yeah, and these are the screens. I'm just gonna remove this now so you guys can see it better. But let's put my phone away, my current phone away, and let's do the magic. Okay. Oh, yay. Yay, yay, yay. Beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, the phone is off completely. Okay, so we should turn it on. Let's turn it on. I don't even know, like, is it here? Okay. Okay. It's turning on. It's turning on. And at the same time, I just want to show you my current phone. So you guys, that's it. That's the difference, just a bit taller. I don't know about wide width. I think it's the same width. I think it's the same width. Yeah, it is the same width. It's just the new iPhone, as you guys can see, is a little bit taller compared to the 14 Plus. So I like that. The bigger, the better. That's what she said. Okay. That was a stupid joke, by the way. I apologize. Okay, so it says ciao in Italian, which I love. So let's turn these on. Also, before I continue, I know this is taking, I'm just savoring the moment. This is what you get in the box. So you get the new cable, which has the, I don't know what to call it, fabric. Is that fabric? And then you get this too for the SIM card. And then obviously you get the same old, I didn't open this box right. I'm sorry guys. You know, I'm new to unboxing stuff, like really, like I did it sometimes, but there we go. Let's do this right. Okay, now the box, it's opening right.
A few moments later.
Okay, so then you got the same instruction stuff and whatnot. Ooh, now it's so like little papers like that. I just saw they used to put the stickers, the Apple stickers in here. They're not doing it anymore. So for those of you who like the Apple stickers, we're not getting them anymore. Unfortunately, Apple has decided so. It is what it is. All right, let me put this box here. And okay, so let's turn this on. Now we'll probably have to set this up. It's off charge, as you guys can see. It's not fully charged. So I'm just gonna set this up real quick. I'm just gonna select English. Okay, my region. Okay, which is United Kingdom. And setting the language. Perfect. So I'm just gonna do this real quick. And okay. I was appearance. Choose how you would like text and icon to look on iPhone. So you can get the default one, you can get the medium one, and you can get the large. I kind of like the large because recently I need my glasses to read my phone. So I know it's bad, but should I go for the large or the medium? I think I like the large. I think I'm gonna go for the large. Yeah, let's go for the large. So maybe I can read my phone without glasses sometimes, especially in the morning. So I just picked the large and then quickly set up iPhone. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near you. Okay, I'm just gonna do this real quick and then I will come back at you once I did the setup. Okay, I am still here, just a quick update. So I am going to transfer phone numbers and all of that. So we're doing this and I will be back.
3 days later.
Okay, so the transfer is officially completed. Yeah. So we're gonna put the other phone away and this is our new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I know my background is not the best background right now. It's very festive, but yeah, restore completed, continue. Okay, now it's telling me about camera control. Click camera control to open a camera app. You know, all the new feature, which I still have to experiment. It's kind of hot right now. That's probably been working behind the scenes. Light press to adjust zoom, exposure, and more. Sure, let's do that. And okay, welcome. And then get started. All right, so now all my apps are downloading and use the iPhone to share location. Use. Okay, so I don't think you guys care to see also my apps. I know probably a lot of you will cringe because I don't have them organized in folders. That's something I want to work on with this new iPhone. But so far, I can tell the fluidity, like on the touch screen, is so much better compared to the iPhone 14 Plus. So I kind of wanna like work on like adding widgets and make this phone super cute. Okay, but let's go back to see me. Okay, and now I am back in the camera. My phone is still doing its thing. I wanna open, you guys. I hope my camera is focusing on me. I got some gadgets today and let's do that. But so far, I mean, I'm loving this. So I order, oh man, okay. These stickers are super cute. They're squishy. Okay, I ordered some stickers. Please don't judge me. I don't know if I'm gonna put them on my phone. I just wanted this package to get here before 1 p.m. and I had to reach at least a minimum order of 20 pounds. So that's why I got these stickers. They're kind of cute. I was hoping that they were like squishable. They are squishable, but anyways, And we got a case. Now, this case, it's not the color that you expect, because initially I wanted to get the same blue color, but then I was like, I don't know, it's gonna look like a little bit boring. And you guys, if you don't know, I like my items to be in pink because I'm a girl and I'm trying to open this, so hold on a second, bear with me. Okay, so I am back. I went to get a little knife to open this. So guys, oh my god, this is cute. I wanted a baby pink MagSafe. Please don't judge me. This is gonna cover the color of my phone, but I don't care because look at this. Oh my god, this is so cute. It is such a cute baby pink, and the brand is Mirror Case. If you guys want to know what case is this, I can put the information in the information box down below. So we're gonna do that. Actually, before I do this, I think I should apply the screen protector. So I think I should do that maybe before. But I just wanted to show you the case real quick, and it's MagSafe approved, which was very hard for me to find. And I maybe put some cute stickers on it because, you know, it's either you go girly girly or you don't. And then I think over here, this is the package where I got the screen protector. Highly suggest you guys, screen protector will save your life. Let me tell you, I unfortunately have dropped my other iPhone a few times, and thank God for the screen protector, because as you guys can see, my other iPhone is in mint condition. So okay, so I'm gonna apply this, you guys, and I don't know if you guys want to see how I do this, but am I show it to you or am I not? Or maybe I'll see you once I put the cover on, which is better. I officially installed my screen protector, which is mint conditions. There's no bubbles or anything like that because I hate that. So it's time to put this beautiful case. Now, I've seen few cases, and there's one from Beats that I really want, which kind of leave this area open so you can see the blue, and I might get that next. But for the time being, I just got this off Amazon and it was a good price. And oh my god, this is so beautiful. So yeah, so even though I have a blue phone, and once I'm tired of the pink and I want the blue back, I just change the case. But this is the case, and it's this baby pink, and my phone is ready. It is very fluid. Like, I still have to adjust to, you know, how fluid it is compared to the iPhone 14 Plus. Very quick to open apps. Like, I am literally trying to open YouTube right now, and I still have to set up all my account and all of that. But it's very easy, and there's a lot of features. I don't know, I kind of wanted to show you the camera, but I still have to like figure it out myself, and I know I'm talking a lot. But here's the volume buttons, and here it's the hold to open, which this one is like, you set this button for whatever you need. I've been asked what did I want, whether I wanted the camera, the translation options, or other features. I think one was the flashlight. I put it on camera because obviously I like to create content, and that's the main reason why I got this new iPhone. As you guys can see, that's my camera right in front of you. Actually, no, you can't see it, but I can see it. That's pretty much me. It is a pretty good camera if you guys can see it. Okay, and also like there is a button here if you guys can see this thing, so now it's like easy access to the camera just like that. And I wish I could show you more, it's just hard for me right now to show you, but I wanted to unbox this with you, and I will probably do more videos about my new iPhone and how I customize this and whatnot. I also got these stickers that I don't know where the stickers went. Oh yeah, they're here. And I kind of want to maybe add a few cute stickers to it, because why not? These are super cute stickers, by the way. I kind of wanted to use this for my Nintendo Switch. I do like the bunnies. I love bunnies. So I might put a bunny somewhere here, or a baguette. There's few cute stickers. Yeah. So I don't know, we'll figure it out. Maybe I'll put one here or something, I don't know. But I love this. And also I forgot to mention, the cable of the phone now has changed from, you know, if you're upgrading from an iPhone 14 Plus. I think the 16 is the same, but I don't know. It is both hands. It looks like it's a USB-C. Sorry, my camera isn't really focusing, but yeah, it's both hands USB-C. So that's what it's gonna be. And yeah, oh my god, the camera, I mean, the icons are very large. That's the way I like it. You can have smaller icons, but I feel like I can look at my phone better. I don't really need my glasses. And yeah, guys, if you want to see more videos on my new iPhone and how to customize and make it cute with like widgets and whatnot, just comments down below. Let me know what you want to see. And also comment down below. Let me know if you like the new iPhone. I'm an iPhone girly, Apple lover forever and ever. I know a lot of you like probably Samsung. There's nothing wrong with that, but I prefer Apple, and I always been an Apple person. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, again, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also sub to my channel. I love to get more friends in my cozy familia. And yeah, I'll see you real soon. I never know how to end these videos, but love you guys. Bye.